missed you. Thought I would take you on a tour of my new apartment. Yes, I have moved from Missouri. I'm now in Alabama, y'all. And I have a little cute apartment until buying a new house next year. So let me take you on a little tour. So this is my door. This is my fireplace. This is my patio. I'm assuming this is going to be my living room over here. This is my kitchen. Now, y'all, my kitchen is electric. I don't know how we gonna do electric, but we gonna do it. But I got a new stove and a refrigerator. Hey, new refrigerator. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So, let me take you into Cam's room. This is Cameron's room. Okay. And this is Cameron's spacious closet. I'm all the way in the closet. Okay. Now we're going to go on to my room where the magic happens. Yes. Come through. And it has this little nook. This little nook back here. Okay. Now, I'm not really crazy about the bathroom. I'm going to be doing lots of little peel and stick in here. But that's okay. I'm going to get it together. Y'all. And Cameron's little bathroom is over here. Not too crazy about the bathroom. But that's okay. We're going to make it do what it do. Okay? Okay, so I'm taking you guys to my balcony. So here is my balcony. Oh, yes. I can have an electric grill out here. Just nice. I love it. So excited. New beginnings. I'm so excited. Oh. Hello, ceiling fan. So I'm really excited about this fireplace over here. Like, really excited about that. I'm excited. I'm excited about the new journey. So, welcome to Alabama, y'all. Peace.
Tell me, my check ain't roll around in about 3 weeks. No positives landed on these cheeks. I may be in a state of vulnerability. You think I'ma stop living because my car's on E? Got $2